So got all new brake parts. As you can see there, that caliper got a hole in it and all. So anyway, brakes failed. So got some new calipers. Got two of them. Got one open here, and that's the right rear caliper. Got new brake lines, pads, and a couple new rotors. So got to get them put on the vet and get the thing back on the road. That's awesome. Glad to get the parts. So there's what I got. So I got a parking brake broken shoe. So more parts. So here we are finishing up latest thing I had to work on the vet. It's been out of commission here for a month or so, a month and a half or so. I had to get some brakes. So I got new rotors, new calipers, but when I got in there, I realized that the park brake shoe had disintegrated. So that was really what the whole problem with the overheating and all was. So I had to fix the park brakes. So everything's all new on both sides. So should be able to get it back on the road here soon now. Got to get some help and bleed them real quick, and that's about it. So I've got the Corvette all put back together here. I'm gonna take it out for its second test run. Got all the new brakes on it and all here on the rear. I fixed all the problems with those. Had a caliper that was bad, and had the park brake on this right rear was broke. So anyway, fixed all of that, so it's back on the road. I still got a whole bunch of little bitty things I need to tinker with, but it's road ready now again. So I'm gonna take it for a little spin, go to the store here in a second just to test it out a little bit more. So 79 Corvette back on the road. Sure is a beauty.